Egg bake, a delicious English phrase explained. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to crack open the meaning of the phrase, egg bake. If you're hungry to expand your English vocabulary, especially related to food, you've come to the right place. So, let's get cooking with our English language learning. The term, egg bake, refers to a type of dish made by baking eggs in the oven, often with a mix of other ingredients such as cheese, vegetables, and meats. It's similar to a quiche or frittata, but it doesn't always have a crust. Egg bakes are a popular choice for breakfast or brunch and are known for being hearty and customizable. An egg bake typically includes eggs, the star of the dish, milk or cream, to create a custard-like texture, cheese, for flavor and a gooey texture, vegetables, like bell peppers, onions, or spinach, meat, optional, but common choices include bacon, sausage, or ham, seasonings, such as salt, pepper, and herbs. In English-speaking countries, an egg bake is a beloved dish for gatherings, especially during holidays or family brunches. It's a comforting meal that's shared with loved ones and often featured in potlucks and communal meals. Let's use egg bake in some sentences. I'm making an egg bake for breakfast. Would you like some? The recipe says to bake the egg mixture at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. Can you pass me the recipe for your spinach and feta egg bake? It's delicious. That's all about egg bakes. We hope you're now ready to whip up some sentences with this phrase as easily as you'd make the dish itself. Remember, language learning is like cooking. It gets better with practice and a pinch of creativity. Happy learning, and we hope to see you in O.